If you're wondering how to use GetResponse with WordPress, you're in the right place. In this quick explainer, I'll guide you step by step on integrating GetResponse into your WordPress site, and I'll also show you some alternatives you might want to consider for even better results. Stick around, because I'll also be giving you access to an exclusive and extended free trial, plus a bonus tip at the end. So, let's dive in with the basics. To get started with GetResponse on WordPress, first, you'll need to sign up for a GetResponse account. Once you're in, you can easily integrate it with your WordPress website using the GetResponse plugin. This will allow you to sync your forms, email lists, and campaigns directly with your site. Next, let's talk about setting up your GetResponse forms on WordPress. After installing the plugin, you'll want to create a form in GetResponse. You can choose from a variety of form types, like pop-ups, landing pages, or inline forms, depending on what fits your site style. After creating the form, simply use the plugin to embed it on your WordPress pages. This process is pretty straightforward, and GetResponse does a good job of providing customization options. The third thing you'll need to know is connecting your email marketing campaigns with WordPress. You can use GetResponse to automatically send email campaigns to people who fill out your forms. This is one of the main advantages of using GetResponse with WordPress, the seamless integration for lead generation and email automation. Plus, you can set up autoresponders, segment your audience, and personalize your emails to make them more effective. Next, you'll want to consider using GetResponse's landing page builder. It's a solid feature that allows you to create stunning, mobile-friendly landing pages without needing to know how to code. You can create pages for your products, offers, or even a simple email opt-in form. Once designed, you can publish it directly on your WordPress site, or you can host it externally. The landing page builder's drag-and-drop interface is easy to use, but some users have found the customization options to be a bit limited when compared to other platforms. The fifth thing worth mentioning is the pricing. GetResponse offers a free trial, but after that, you'll need to pay for a subscription if you want to continue using it. Some users find the pricing to be a bit high, especially if you're just getting started. There are competitors that offer similar services at a lower price point with more flexibility. Now, while GetResponse is great, it's not the only option available. If you're looking for something that's even more user-friendly and better suited for specific needs like conversion optimization, there are alternatives that might fit you better. For example, I've seen great results with other email marketing tools that offer a better interface, more design flexibility, and cheaper pricing. In fact, I'm going to share an exclusive extended free trial link for one of these alternatives at the end of this video. These alternatives may be better suited for users who want to take their email marketing and WordPress site to the next level. To recap, GetResponse with WordPress is easy to set up and provides solid functionality for your email marketing needs. However, depending on your goals, there are other tools out there that offer more features and better value for your money. If you're looking for the best free trial and exclusive benefits, make sure to check out the link in the description. Thanks for watching! Don't forget to grab that exclusive deal and try out the alternatives we've mentioned for even better results.